Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the earned income tax credit on TurboTax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so we're not going to waste too much time on this. So let's just get straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So you want to determine if you're eligible for the earned income tax credit based on a couple of factors such as family size, income, and a couple of other stuffs, which you can use the IRS earned income tax credit assistance tool to just check out your eligibility. Once you've verified your eligibility, and if you're eligible, go ahead and collect your income statements, including your family information and any other relevant documents such as your W-2 forms, your 1099 forms, and your social security number for yourself and your dependents. Next, just log into TurboTax. So go on and log in on the TurboTax website with your email address and your password. And once you're signed into your account, just select the tax year that you want to claim the earned income tax credit for. Next, you're just going to choose credits from the menu and then just select earned income tax credits as the credit type. Next, you're going to enter your credit information, including your income, family size, and all other relevant information based on the documents that you have prepared. Next, just go ahead and claim the earned income tax credit based on your eligibility and your credit information. That's pretty much it on how to claim the earned income tax credit on TurboTax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next